2022 Toyota Camry. I think the one with the broken sensor. Well, took the hub out, and the hub was new, but nobody bothered to clean the surface or the shield. Well, usually when you don't clean this crap, what happens when you tighten it, you kind of it doesn't get even torque the way it's supposed to be. Well, the hub was a CarQuest, and I used them before, did not have any problems. But I don't know how they did this. There is a damage from the sensor. And I found this piece inside. Well, I got Koya hub, supposedly. Don't know if it's a real one. Maybe, maybe not. Used sensor. I don't know, I think it's a real one. Machining looks the way it should be looking. Well, better start cleaning all this and put it back together.